Glossies, my name's Hannah and I'm one of the social media executives here at Glossybox UK, and today I'm going to be unboxing our March box and showing you how to use the products. This month's theme is Pretty Pleasures and the box features 5 products worth £75, so stay tuned to see what's inside. Okay, so the first product that I want to talk about is the Figs and Rouge Satin Soft Blurring Primer. And this is worth £38. This is great for people that have oily or combination skin like myself. It's gonna blur out any imperfections and decrease any shine. It also contains hyaluronic acid, which is really good for locking in moisture in the skin, and contains marshmallow root extract and Arctic cloudberry, and they're 2 ingredients that are gonna help lift and energize the skin. I've cleansed my skin, as you can see. I've got no makeup on, so I'm just gonna show you how to apply this. So as you can see, it's a serum-like texture. You don't need to put much on at all, and just pat it around the face. So this is great for creating a base before you put on your foundation. It's really soft and smooth on the skin, so you can tell that it's going to be super hydrating and not dry your skin out. It goes on really, really nicely. Yeah, just make sure it's all rubbed in. And then just leave this to dry for a couple of minutes before applying your foundation. The next product that I'm going to talk about is the Soeco complexion sponge, and this is worth £6. This is a really versatile makeup tool. It's great for applying liquid foundation and powder foundation. You can use the sponge wet or dry. So if you're going to apply a liquid foundation, then use it damp. And if you're applying a powder foundation, use it dry. It's also great for applying concealer. As you can see here, it's got a pointed tip, which means it's great for precision under the eyes, and a liquid blush because it will help contour against the lines of your cheekbones. So I'm just going to show you how to apply this now. I'm going to be using a liquid foundation, so I've wet the sponge slightly. I've already applied some foundation because the great thing about this is you can keep building up the coverage to your desired coverage that you want. And you just need to work from the inside out. The good thing about using this tool is your skin will still look like skin at the end of it, so it's never going to be a really heavy coverage effect. So it's great for creating that really nice, dewy, glowy look on your skin. And it's really soft. So yeah, overall, a really great tool to have as part of your makeup bag. Next up, we have the Butanic Nourishing Mascara, and this is worth £15.50. Mascara is probably the one makeup product that I couldn't live without. It's also really hard to find a good mascara that actually does what it says. This one's really great because it maximizes the length of your lashes and thickens them, but it also contains almond oil and camellia, which means it's going to condition your lashes and keep them healthy. And it's got a really nice long elongated brush. So I'm just going to show you now how this looks when you apply it. I've already done the one eye, as you can see. It's a really nice texture. What it does is it doesn't clump the lashes, which is a pet hate of mine when it comes to mascara. So the good thing about that is it means you can keep building up the layers until you get the desired thickness and length that you want, and your lashes are not going to clump together. So this is a really, really great mascara overall. Okay, so next up is a brand favorite of mine. It's the Nails Ink nail polish, and this retails at £11, and it's in shade Palace Gardens. I've been using Nail Ink nail polishes for years now. I just find that they're really long lasting, they're really good quality, they're really glossy. So I've got the colour on here. As you can see, it's a smoky blue. Blues and greens are going to be really big for spring, summer this year. So this is a great addition to add to your nail polish collection. And last but not least, in this month's box, we did a NYX Lucky Dip where products started from £4 and they could be full size or deluxe size and ranged from lipsticks, lip glosses, to eyeliners, to palettes, to powders. In my box, I got the NYX Liquid Lingerie Glitter Gloss, and that's in shade Euro Trash. And as you can see, it's a really nice shimmery pink colour. I've just got it on my lips here, so you can see it's just a really nice natural pink colour, and it's really nourishing, really glossy, so it's definitely a shade that I'll be wearing. Okay glossies, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing and that you love your March Pretty Pleasures box as much as I did. Don't forget, if you're going to upload your unboxings to our Facebook, Instagram or Twitter, make sure to tag us at Glossybox UK for a chance to be featured on our social channels.
There's an imminent storm, it's unavoidable.